Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Jason. This episode I will introduce the material of the spare parts. Let's go and have a look. Okay, come to the spare parts we just bring here. You can see the dispersing disc. We use the SS304 materials on this. And also if you have the special requirements, we will using the SS316 for the material. Because you know this disc is contacting with the material, so it needs to be anti-corrosion. The bearing and the belt only one material. The bearing is using the hardened alloy because it can support the long lifespan for the producing, and the belt it is using the rubber because the rubber can let the motor transfer the power very easily. The screen sleeve is made by the nylon. It is soft and easy to through by the materials if its size is smaller than the screen size. So that is much better for the filter. Okay, that's all. In next episode, I will introduce the pneumatic lifting emulsifier. Follow us by the below video, and we are the paint and chemical machine.